Be ready. Start. The person against whom a charge are being inquired into shall be allowed to obtain the assistance of a government servant if he so desires in order to produce his defense before the inquiring officer. Stop. If the charge or charges are likely to result in the dismissal of the person from the service of the government. Stop. Such person may, with the sanction of the inquiring officer, be represented by counsel. Stop. Provided that if in any inquiry counsel is engaged on behalf of any department of government, the person against whom the charge or charges are being inquired into shall also be entitled to engage counsel. Stop. Provided also that the assistance of particular government employee will be allowed only if the inquiry authority is satisfied that he is of such rank as is appropriate in the circumstances of the case and that he can be spared by the department concerned for that purpose. Stop. Charges need not necessarily be framed in relation only to specific incidents or acts of misconduct. Stop. When reports received against an officer or a preliminary inquiry so that his general behavior has been such as to be unfitting to his position or that he has failed to reach or maintain a reasonable standard or efficiency. He may and should be charged accordingly, and a finding on such a charge may be valid ground for the infliction of any authorized departmental punishment, which may be considered suitable in the circumstances of the case. Stop. It will be necessary to communicate the charges of misbehavior, of insufficiency, or of both, as the case may be, to the officer concerned, but the statement which is to be communicated to the officer in support of the charges need not specify particular acts of misconduct. Stop. It will be sufficient in the statement to give the list of the reports on the basis of which misbehavior or inefficiency is alleged. Stop. Over.